I'm Amira, I'm a student and I'm doing English communication course for enhance my knowledge and capabilities.
And I'm Victoria. I'm a teacher and now I'm doing English communication course from Bushra Ahsan Foundation to improve my skills. Today, we are diving into a question that a lot of students ask. Why is English important for us?
It's such an interesting topic. I think the first thing is English is a global language. I mean, people speak it in almost every country, right?
Exactly. It's like a bridge between different cultures. When people from different countries meet, English is usually the language they use to communicate.
Right. It's a super important for jobs too. Most of international companies use English. So if we want to work abroad or in our own global companies, English helps a lot.
True, plus think about the internet. So much information online, videos, researches, books are in English. We can understand the study. We can learn anything from internet.
You know, Victoria, when I went to Thailand, I don't know about Thai, but I could ask help for English and make my points clear.
It's like having a superpower when you travel, get education and connect impactfully.
English helps us to learn, work, connect, and explore the world.
Couldn't have said it better. That's it for today's sitting. Thanks for listening.